letting TikTok choose the audio for our photos with Hazel. You first.
Do my left or right?
She's just one girl. That one girl is kicking our ass.
I like that one. My turn.
We got daddy issues, chaos junkie. Mommy issues, more daddy issues. Obnoxious asshole. We got dad.
I don't have a dad, but definitely mommy issues. Anyways, that was okay. I liked mine. What about you, Hazel? Mine was interesting, I guess. Let's do it one more time. What do you think? Oh. Okay. You first?
We were playing in the sand, and you found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it. We were playing.
That one was okay. Wasn't bad. I liked it. That's Hazel's turn. My turn.
I want to be sparkly and pinks and purples, but the world is on fire and I am angry. I want you to be happy. I want to be.
That's definitely me when I'm angry. Mine was a little bit special, but I liked it. What about you, Hazel? I loved my mind gave my personality. That's it for today.